Okay, today is step 4, so we are almost done. Today is the last day we're going to work on our Dine hearts. What I'm going to do is before I glue on my heart to my background, I decided that I do want to go ahead. I'm just going to outline. I'm going to make this nice dark with my oil pastel, not a chalk pastel, line around the outside edge. I'm tracing on that pencil line I made when I outlined my heart. I'm just hoping that this kind of makes my heart pop out a little bit. So I'm making a nice thick line. Okay, and I have a glue right here. I'm going to glue the heart on to the middle. Let's just see how it looks first. Perfect. So see how you can see some of my outline? That's exactly what I wanted. I'm going to take my glue with a red lid, press down, and wiggle. And remember, if it doesn't come out very much, that means that you probably just need to pull off some of the dried off glue on the top. A lot of times this comes off easy. If it doesn't come off easy, ask the teacher to come over and help you. Mine's not coming off easy, which is why I keep these handy dandy little pliers. So this would be something that the teacher can help you with if you need it. That little dried up glue came off super easy. Now I can go just a dot, not a lot, all around the outside edge of my heart. Do I need glue in the middle? No. Hopefully you said no. We never need glue in the middle. Only around the outside edge, and really just a little bit. So now this is important. I want to make sure I get this on right in the middle. So I'm going to line up the bottom, line up the top. If you need help, raise your hand and the teacher can come over and help make sure it gets in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I need this whole thing to glue down really good. So I'm going to hold down the top and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to hold down the bottom and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. After that, I want to try not to touch too much because if my hands have glue on them, it's going to mess up my chalk pastels. Now, some of you may still be coloring, so some of you may do this part at the end of your art class. But for those of you who are done at the beginning, you can do a fun little extra step if you want to. We can create a border using mosaic tiles, and how we do that is what I did was I grabbed some scrap paper out of the scrap paper bin, and I'm going to cut a strip of paper like that. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to make little squares with it. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing with blue. So I'm going to have yellow and blue squares, and I'm going to make a pattern. What's a pattern? A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. So my pattern here might be yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue. So what I'm going to do is on the outside edge of my paper, I'm going to do a dot, 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 dot. So I did 4 dots and I spread them out. So now I'm going to take my squares and go yellow, blue, yellow, blue. And it's okay if it overlaps onto your heart a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm doing 4 more. What comes after blue? Yellow. Okay, I'm leaving a little bit of space in between my tiles or my squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue. So I will do this all the way around the border of my heart.